EA1280SP1 Outdoor Stadium Perimeter LED Billboard is a professional LED display that integrates unique design, stable support, safety protection and efficient maintenance. EA1280SP1 adopts a unique support structure design, which can withstand front and rear impacts and ensure the stable standing of LED billboards. There are two quick locks designed on the top and left side of the cabinet to support quick installation and improve installation efficiency. EA1280SP1 LED display is equipped with a soft mask and rubber cover, specially designed to protect athletes from injury during competition. The protection level of the box is as high as IP65, which is fully sealed and effectively proof against wind, rain, dust and moisture. This allows the LED display to still operate normally under severe weather conditions, improving the stability and reliability of the equipment. EA1280SP1 Stadium Perimeter LED display not only has excellent technical characteristics, but also presents eye-catching display effects and a wide field of view.